So we made it to Nashville.
And we're actually in Centennial Park at the Parthenon.
Check it out.
Which we found out is an exact replica of the Parthenon in Athens, Greece.
Like to the meter, or to the centimeter, I should say.
Oh, it's an all complete setup. I got hit by 2 cars last month. 3 minutes back to back. Flew up on the hood, went through the windshield. Dislocated my arm and everything, man.
Thanks for hosting, George.
Dude, you gotta zoom in on that cactus garden over there.
You can grow a lot more than just cactus in here. We're at the Frothy Monkey.
This thing, it heats up for an hour and gets running and just goes all day. Just like if you heat up a skillet before you're cooking. So we heat it up for an hour, it gets up to maybe like 500 degrees, and then we'll let it cool back down to 400. And then we're operating within that range throughout the roast and like trying to retain heat in it. You're sending a lot of energy into it to break down the acids in the coffee, and then you're slowing it down at the end to create caramelization of the sugars.
Dang.
So yeah, we got it.
Coming up on first crack.
Coming up on first, coming in hot.
What do we think, Clay?
Buzzer.
Alright, it's about to drop. You hear the crackling.
Going to get a coffee. Original Frothy. So what makes the frothy coffee so special?
Secret ingredient.
There's not a secret ingredient. It's
the beans.
It's the beans. It's a lot of tasting, honestly. It's like we'll do like 28, 34 roasts a day, and we pull samples of everyone. We're tasting everyone blind, so it's like the double blind thing.
Right.
Picking our favorites, and then we're going back to the data that we take and like pick, and go off that. So
Where do you guys get your beans from?
this is a blend of El Salvador, Guatemala, and Brazil. Coffee beans change with the seasonality, so the blends are constantly changing. So it's like we're trying to, it's like an evolution, It's got Guatemala in, it's a really fresh crop. We used to have a Colombia as like the main component of our coffee, so it's kind of, it's constantly changing,
Like what's a normal day? How many cups of coffee?
So I mean, if we're doing like a production cupping or something, 28 to 34 coffees on the table that we're like tasting each one. Now sometimes it's like tasting wine though. You're not always drinking it; you're spitting it a lot. And then I like to come like practice on espresso in the machine, and so I'll get a couple shots in, and then normally drink a lot of coffee.
See that?
That's pure bean, right?
The frothy beans for a frothy monkey.
Craziest flavor of all time.
This is awesome. Get off with that. So Fletch, takeaways from the Frothy Monkey.
Best beans I've ever seen. Better than black bean.
Stay frothy.
Dude, I hope you guys are loving your trip. Keep killing it, dudes.
That's Fresh HD. Please subscribe.